The LX600, despite being perceived as smaller, surpasses the LX570 in length, measuring 5.1 meters compared to its predecessor's 4.9 meters, and it is also 20 millimeters wider. The front of the LX600 boasts a sleeker grille design without a perimeter enclosure, eliminating the slight overlap between the indicator and headlights seen in the previous generation. The new model features a complete tailgate for the trunk, differing from its predecessor's 60/40 housing split configuration, and it weighs 200 kilograms less. The shift towards efficiency is evident in the replacement of the 5.7-liter V8 engine with a more powerful V6 twin-turbo engine, offering increased horsepower and torque key and a focus on environmental friendliness with ultra-low emissions. The LX600's V6 engine generates 409 horsepower and 649.4 Nm of torque at 2,000 revs per minute, a significant improvement over the V8's 383 horsepower and 546.4 Nm. Both engines share a displacement of 3,500 cubic centimeters. The new model features a 10-speed automatic transmission, enhanced suspension, and improved handling with an electronic steering rack. Unlike the LX570, the LX600 introduces self-closing automatic doors, contributing to a well-finished interior that offers increased space. With a transition from 8 to 7 seats, the LX600 prioritizes comfort, providing more legroom. The infotainment system sees improvements with a second LCD monitor, and notable features such as wireless charging ports, electric and heated seats, and customizable cup holders further enhance the luxurious driving experience.